Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this EUKI X3 Super Power Turbofan with 150,000 RPM brushless motor, 180 gram wind pressure, 6000 mAh battery capacity and 52 meters per second wind speed. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. The EUKI rechargeable compressive air duster is a versatile and powerful tool designed to provide a thorough cleaning experience for a variety of applications. It is ideal for cleaning electronics, computers, keyboards, cameras, filters and other delicate devices that require precision, care and where dust accumulation can affect performance. The built-in rechargeable battery ensures extended usage time, making it reliable for comprehensive cleaning sessions without frequent recharging. Included at the box, we have 9 different brushes. Another one, 10. Nice, I like it. Type A to Type C cable because you need to charge this blower. EUKI bag, I like that, it feels very nice to my hand. You can have the blower with all these accessories inside the bag. And the user manual. Now let's check the blower. I like the design and texture around the blower. Soft pad here and here, feels very nice to my hand. The inlet and the outlet for the air. Interchangeable magnetic nozzle, very easy to take out and put back in again. The power on-off button and speed control, just press and hold. And here you can control the speed. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3. The charging port with battery indicator, 4 indicators. And the start button. The device offers multiple speed settings, allowing users to adjust the airflow intensity based on the cleaning task at hand. Always start with the lowest speed setting when cleaning delicate items and gradually increase the speed if necessary. So first speed, press once and it works continuously. Press and stop. From the first speed goes to the third speed, so I am adjusting at second speed. First speed. If I'm going to choose the third speed, it will stop, because to use the third speed you need to have your finger at the start button always. That is an amazing airflow. I just love it. To charge this unit you need a 5V 2A power adapter. Capacity, as I mentioned, it is 6000 mAh. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to handle and carry, providing convenience for both home and professional use. There's the cable. And of course you can charge it from your laptop, computer, power bank. And we can see it's charging. Also ideal for cleaning car interiors, especially in tight spaces where traditional cleaning tools may not reach. Handy for removing sawdust, metal shavings and other debris in workshops and garages. And again, first speed. We can see the LEDs here. I like it. The fan. How is rotating? Okay, I don't want to lose these brushes. are so soft. So let's find out how it's performing on different tasks. This eco-friendly and powerful cleaning tool is perfect for keeping your electronics and workspaces dust-free without the need for disposable air cans. Throughout this video we've explored the impressive features of the EUKI compressed air duster, including its powerful and consistent airflow that effectively removes dust and debris from keyboards, computers, cameras and other delicate equipment. The fact that it's rechargeable means you can use it repeatedly, making it a cost-effective and environmentally friendly alternative to traditional canned air. We've also seen how easy it is to use, with this ergonomic design and various brushes that allow you to reach even the tightest corners and smallest components. The adjustable speed settings give you control over the airflow, ensuring you have the right amount of power for any cleaning task. The convenience of USB charging and the long battery life mean that the EUKI compressed air duster is always ready when you need it. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to handle and store, making it a great addition to your cleaning toolkit. If you are tired of buying canned air or using a giant air compressor and want a sustainable, powerful and versatile solution for your cleaning needs, the EUKI rechargeable compressed air duster is definitely worth considering. It's a reliable tool that will keep your electronics in top condition. I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more tech reviews and tips. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with the EUKI compressed air duster, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Clean thoroughly.